per day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code. It'd be great for you to have, it'll be great to have you on our team ahead of the Fed decision for the latest updates. But let's have a look at the Nasdaq100. Nasdaq100 is trading just shy of 12,000, a very key area due to it being a large psychological round number. But we've kind of bounced here, around 11,900 the past couple of trading sessions. But I wouldn't look too much into it due to the fact the market is heavily anticipating the Fed's interest rate decision, and my belief is that we are going to see a 0.75 basis point hike. There is a possibility that we could get a full point hike, so 100 basis points, but at this moment in time the bond market is only giving that I think just slightly under a 20% chance of happening, but mostly around 75%. There's a 75% chance that it's going to be 0.75 basis point hikes, and we know that the Fed's going to come out and be super hawkish. So I think the risk is definitely towards a downside here for the Nasdaq100, with June 16th lows probably being the main target area for many investors out there. That being said, the sentiment right now in this asset is extremely bearish, and history will tell you when sentiment has been as negative as what it is now, sometimes relief rallies do occur. And all it takes, guys, is for Jerome Powell to come out during his press conference later on this evening after the interest rate decision and maybe say something that is slightly dovish. And at this moment in time, hedge funds have a record amount of money allocated to S&P 500 shorts, and that'll be along with the Nasdaq100 and the Dow Jones 30. And if there is a slight dovish tone, like we heard during the last Fed minutes meeting, when I think Powell wrongly said that that their work is nearly coming to an end, and that was a little bit premature, and we saw a huge rally in the markets. If we saw something similar to that, then all these hedge funds and money management firms are going to have to cause a short squeeze, because they're going to have to go and hedge against their short positions, and that could cause an almighty rally towards the upside. But again, my personal belief is that we have more of a risk to move towards the downside here. I think the June 16th lows is a very reasonable target, and we could potentially go lower. But ahead of the Fed minutes, I'm not really putting much money to work. I do still hold some short-term shorts. My medium to longer term buy positions, I've been dollar cost averaging, and if we do go towards the downside, fantastic. I make money on my short positions, and I will continue to dollar cost average for my medium to longer term trades. And I know that many of my viewers have found it a little bit confusing when I explained it over the past couple of trading sessions. So let me try and clarify my strategy as simple as possible. In the next 1 to 2 trading weeks, so let's draw a box like that, I expect the market could go pretty much as low as the June 16th lows. Now, if we drag out this time schedule, where do I believe the markets can potentially go? Well, let's just quickly drag it out here. Now, let's give us a 6-month time horizon here for the Nasdaq100. I personally believe that instead of going lower, I think that the markets could be trading significantly higher. So I have a short-term sell position where I expect the markets to trade lower within the next 2 weeks. So that's what this box represents. But vice versa, I've been dollar cost averaging into this market. As we go down and we could potentially go lower, I will continue to buy for medium to a longer term. And in 6 to 12 months time, I expect the market to be trading up here around 15,000, 16,000, and that's when all of these positions are all of these trades that I've been accumulating over the past couple of weeks and months will then be trading in a significant amount of money. And if the market did, let's say later on this afternoon, just go to the moon and shoot up towards 15,000, well then I have a very tight stop loss on my short-term trades, but ultimately I will be making significant amounts of money with the accumulation that has taken place during the past month since we peaked up here on the 16th of August. So that's my current trading strategy here for the Nasdaq100.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. markets, veteran traders saying they've never seen